guitar part comes in with a little slide up to 14th fret on the G. And we just sit on that note. The main melodic riff of the song is played here, 9th fret on the G, going to 11, 8, 10 on the B. We come back down, 8 on the B, 11, 9 on the G. It's actually played with palm muting as well, so we just rest the right hand lightly on the strings and play the riff as normal. Then the power chords kick in for the pre-chorus. We start on this D power chord, 10th fret the E, 12th fret the A, we're going to strum that down, we move it immediately up to 12 and strum that up. So we've got 12 and 14 there for the second chord. So and have a little rest before we go to the power chord at the 5th fret of the E and 7th fret the A, move that down 2 frets to 3 and 5, and that's the main riff for the pre-chorus. So this progression happens 3 times. On the 4th time, we just do the 10 sliding up to 12. So the chorus starts off in exactly the same way. We start off with this D power chord sliding up to the E, then we go to 3rd fret on the low E string, strum it once, then we go back to that 10 to 12 slide, down to 5, same again, this time down to 3. So 3, 5, 3. Slowly we've got the power chord slide up, 3, slide up, 5, slide up, 3. Then we're going to strum this G power chord again before moving up to 7th fret on the A and playing that with an open E note, and then finishing off with a B power chord at 7th fret the E, 9th fret the A. So that takes us back to the start of the riff, which just repeats. So slowly we have the slide, 3, 5, 3, 3 again, be finishing off on that B. So to go into the bridge section, we're going to be playing the same riff here, but we're going to come out of it slightly differently. So you have the slide up, 3, and then the 3, 7 and an open E. Then we go to an A power chord, which is 5 on the E, 7 on the A. B power chord, 7 and 9. Up to the C power chord at 8 and 10. So slowly. A, B, C for the bridge. Then we're into the bridge section. For the bridge section, we're going to start on the C power chord and we're going to play the same rhythm throughout the whole bridge until the last bar. So we have the C5, we're going to strum down, 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 mute. Then up, down, 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 mute, up. We move down to an A power chord, same rhythm, 5 and 7. Then we go to the E chord, which is open E, 7th fret on the A again, same rhythm. G power chord, 3 on the E, 5 on the A. Back to the C power chord. A power chord. Back to the C power chord. Then we go to a D power chord. I usually play it at the 5th fret of the A and 7th fret of the D, but you can also play it at the 10th fret of the E and the 12th fret of the A. And the rhythm changes here slightly. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so down, 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 down. And we shifted at 1 fret to an E flat power chord with exactly the same rhythm. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and so. And then we're into the chorus part. The whole bridge section played slowly is C.